Got a little sneak peek on one of the projects that he's working on right now. Before we actually get started into the video, I want to go ahead and give you guys a sneak peek and talk to you guys just real quick. So as you guys can go ahead and see, this is the new shop, but the video you're about to see took place in the old shop. So bear with us on that part, but I want to go ahead and just give you guys a little bit of info before we actually jump all into this. All right, guys, so as you guys saw, we'll give you a little bit of a sneak peek on one of the new projects that we're doing. So before we got into the whole video, but I want to go ahead and say that the only reason why we're able to get that tour for actually at Vortech is because Jose is a dealer here at VA Performance for VORTECH SUPERCHARGERs. So if you guys actually want a great deal, and especially if you're in San Cal and want to get it done by the man himself, definitely slide up and get in contact with us so we can help you guys out and get you guys connected with what you need. And with that being said, I really do hope you guys enjoy. So stay tuned for everything. So right now, Homer is actually gonna go ahead and get some really go faster parts. He's gonna go ahead and actually be installing the VORTECH SUPERCHARGER that we went and go pick up, that you guys saw in one of the previous videos. Oh, damn, that's a beauty right there. Woo, must be nice.
That's money.
That's money, yeah.
That's the new name of the shop, ISIS Performance.
Oh, really?
Where we make your car go boom. Hey, what's up guys, it's Jose at VA Performance. We're here working on 2018 Mustang GT. About to do a Vortech V3 supercharger install on this bad boy. Make some real power and just put this power to the ground so he can hand out V8 venti cappuccinos.
We're gonna go ahead and eat this takoyaki. It's going well there. Go ahead and get some stuff done. I gotta go ahead and eat this real quick. Then they're gonna go ahead and eat theirs. And we're just kind of taking turns right now at this point. But man, it's going smoothly.
I'll try to hit you with it.
I'm like, hey. So Homer actually went to go ahead and donated a table. So that way we keep all the parts off the ground. Oh, he actually hit the camera. Again, if you guys actually see my previous video where we took a tour, shout out to Brian again from Vortech. He actually gave us a tour and we actually saw how extreme detail they do with these VORTECH superchargers. So again, honestly, S550, as soon as it's up and running, I will definitely make a purchase of a VORTECH supercharger in the future. So this is the test fit, making sure everything fits before he goes and puts all the clamps on, as you guys can go ahead and see right there. So this thing looks like a beast right now.